Audi didn't create the four-entryway car section, yet it could be contended that the German brand consummated it with the landing of its A7 medium-size extravagance auto. Propelled as a 2012 model in the United States, the A7 had charming looks that shrouded a flexible hatchback body style, giving access to a sizable freight hold. With the overhauled second-age A7, Audi is indeed out to demonstrate that style and reasonableness needn't be fundamentally unrelated. Like the as-of-late revealed 2019 A8 leader sedan, the new A7 wears Audi's most recent planned dialect, which includes a more extensive, more hexagonal form of Audi's shield grille. Abbreviated front and back shades cut 0.6 inch from the A7's general length, while flared bumpers furnish the low-through-four entryway with a less chunk-sided look contrasted and its antecedent. A conspicuous new taillight configuration traverses the width of the auto underneath a retractable wing and slanting hatchback. A discretionary S-line body pack includes more forceful front and back sashes, sculpted side ledges, and a modest bunch of minor trim changes. The upside down. The new inside highlights Audi's most recent MMI infotainment framework. To start with, found in the 2019 A8, the framework discards the past rendition's rotational control handle for a couple of touchscreens capable of being heard in haptic input. One screen is situated in front of the gearshift lever and is utilized principally to control vac capacities, while alternate lives higher up in the dashboard and is utilized for working things, for example, infotainment and route highlights. Other in-cockpit tech incorporates an accessible head-up show and Audi's 12.3-inch virtual cockpit advanced measure bunch. In our first drive of the new A8, we found that Audi's touchscreen MMI interface rushed to react to our information sources and exceptionally configurable. By the by, we missed the earlier MMI framework's physical handles and catches, which we discovered less demanding to modify on the fly. Different toys pulled from the A8 incorporate the AI Remote Parking Pilot and AI Remote Garage Pilot frameworks, which can self-rulingly move your auto into and out of a carport or a parking spot. It's got the power. At dispatch, the second-age A7 will be controlled by Audi's commonplace 340 horsepower turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 motor. Supplanting the present 8-speed programmed transmission is another 7-speed double-grip programmed. Audi claims the blend can send the all-wheel drive hatchback from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds. Top speed is represented at 155 miles per hour. The powertrain likewise consolidates a mix alternator and starter that can recover up to 12 kilowatts of energy, which it sends to the auto's 48-volt lithium particle battery. Other fuel-sparing highlights incorporate the refreshed auto stop, begin framework that can utilize an airish from the A7's standard front camera to restart the motor when movement starts moving once more, rather than the present frameworks that start up the motor just when the driver lets off the brake pedal. However, it will do that, as well. A freewheeling mode briefly stops the motor while drifting at speeds between 34 miles per hour and 100 miles per hour. Among the accessible devotee agreeable highlights are game suspension with a 0.4-inch bring-down ride stature, a discretionary torque vectoring back differential, and a four-wheel variable controlling framework that alters the guiding proportion from a hyper-quick 9.5:1 to a slower-paced 16.5:1 setup. Solace-situated alternatives incorporate a fragrance atomizer, rubbing and ventilated front seats, and an air spring suspension. The A7 can be fitted with either a 3-man race seat or 2 individual seats, and the half-inch longer wheelbase gives race-situate travelers more room and headroom. The all-new Audi A7 goes at a bargain in February in Germany and will achieve North American showrooms before the finish of 2018. Audi isn't prepared to talk US valuing yet, however the new form shouldn't be far away. The present model's $70,675 beginning stage.